Hello and welcome everybody. PRTY stock on 28 November. Let's see that step by step with easy price prediction. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Okay, 0.1 Fibonacci level here is going to be applied. So if we want for 1 week update, it's going to be different. But think about it. We should go first in PRTY stock to be makes us just think that is going to be agreement with this type of stock. So if we think about 1 and 11 minus 1, it's going to give us 10. So that means every level is going to give a different value, but this value should be equal to the difference between this level and this level in value. And if we went for 1 week, it's not going to give us a different. The same thing that happened in 1 day would also be occurred in 1 week. Hope you benefit from what we have explained on PRTY stock in this video.